In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Weebly URL. So if you're looking to update your site's address and make it just the way you want, you've come to the right place. We'll break this down step by step, ensuring that you can follow along easily. By the end of our session, you'll have the confidence to handle this all on your own. To kick things off, let's start by heading over to Weebly's website. You can do that by opening your preferred web browser and typing in weebly.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the main screen filled with tools to help you build your online presence. But we're here for the URL change, so let's get to that. Next, locate the login button on the top right corner of the page. Click on it to bring up the login options. If you've already got an account, you can simply enter your credentials here. But since Weebly is now integrated with Square, you might notice an option to log in with your Square account. Let's go with that because it's a quick way of gaining access, especially if your store is linked through Square. Go ahead and click on Login with Square. After logging in, you'll be directed to your site's dashboard. Here, you'll find several options and menus, but focus on finding the Overview section. It should be quite prominent on your screen. Click on Overview to continue your navigation. Now that you're in the Overview section, you'll see various options relating to your site's configuration. At this point, you'll want to locate Site Preferences. Go ahead and click on that and you're one step closer to changing your URL. Once you're in Site Preferences, you'll see a section labeled Site Address. Click on Site Address to access the options for your current Weebly URL. Here you'll find the ability to modify your URL to better match your brand or personal preference. It's a simple process where you can type in your desired URL. Keep in mind, if you're still using the free version, Weebly's domain will remain a part of your address. However, if you're using a custom domain, that will be displayed here instead. After entering your new URL, it's crucial to take a moment to double check for any typos. And once you're ready, save your changes to ensure your new address is set. That's all it takes. You've now successfully changed your Weebly URL. Feel free to share your new site link with friends, clients, or your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing what you create next with your new domain. Until then, happy building.